The primary and secondary side of a single phase 1 MVA 4 kV by 2 kV transformer has a leakage reactance of 2 ohms each. Find the per unit reactance of a transformer referred to the primary and secondary sides. Now first we will write the given data. So here the power is given by 1 MVA and the voltage across the primary is V1 is equal to 4 kV and across the secondary it is 2 kV, and x1 is equal to x2 here, which is given by because it is 2 ohm each, so x1 is equal to x2 is equal to 2 ohm. Now if we refer the secondary resistance to the primary side, then how do we get it? Total impedance referred to primary side is given by x1 plus x2 dash. Now this x2 dash can be calculated by the original secondary resistance into the transformation ratio, which is nothing but kV1, or the primary voltage divided by secondary voltage, the whole square. So here the x2 is 2 and kV here we already have 4 by 2 the whole square, so it is going to be 8 ohms. Therefore in the primary side the total resistance is given by the actual primary resistance, which is going to be 2, plus the secondary resistance which is referred to the primary side, which is 8, which is going to be 10 ohm. This is equal to x01. So x01 per unit value can be found out by x01, the actual x01 value, into MVA divided by kV the whole square. So this is 10 into our MVA is 1 MVA divided by the kV in the primary side is 4, so 4 square. So x01 per unit is given by 0.625. Similarly, we can find for the secondary side. Total impedance referred to secondary side is going to be, that is equal to x2 plus x1 dash. This x1 dash is nothing but the actual impedance value into the transformation ratio, which is nothing but x1 dash is equal to x1, that is the impedance in the primary side, into kV2, that is the volt transformation ratio with respect to the ratio of the secondary voltage to the primary voltage, the whole square. So that is equal to 2 into, this is 2, already they have given it in the given data, divided by kV1 is this, so we will get 0.5 ohm.